Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect PS4 controller to your PS5 console. In order to do that, you need to have a PS4 Dual Shock 4 controller and a USB cable that can be micro USB to USB-A or Bluetooth connection. So if you want to connect it via USB cable, then you need to make sure that your PS5 console is powered on. Then connect one end of the USB cable to the PS4 controller and the other end to the PS5 console. On the PS4 controller, press the PS button located in the middle of the controller. The controller's light bar sound turn on, indicating that it is connected. Now once it is connected successfully, you can navigate to the PS5 menu using the PS4 controller. If you want to establish the connection via Bluetooth, then you just have to make sure that your PS5 console is powered on. After that, you need to press and hold the PS button and the share button on the PS4 controller simultaneously until the light bar starts flashing. Then you need to navigate to settings on your PS5, then select accessories. In the accessories menu, you need to select Bluetooth accessories. After that, the PS5 will search for nearby Bluetooth device. Now you need to select the PS4 controller from the list of the available devices to pair it with. Once paired, the light bar will stop flashing and stay lit, indicating a successful connection. You need to note that the PS4 controller works with PS4 games on the PS5, but it may not be compatible with PS5 games. If you experience any issues, try restarting the console or the controller and repeat the same steps. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.